How to add Google Analytics to WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website. It's really easy to do. Let's get started. So open up your dashboard for your WordPress website. This is one of the test websites that I am working on. So I want to add Google Analytics to my WordPress website. It's really easy to do. What you have to do is simply scroll down to plugins. Now in plugins, go to add new. We will be adding a plugin that will allow us to connect Google Analytics to our WordPress website. Now here we are in our plugin center and we can add any kind of plugin to our WordPress website. So here I'm going to search for Sitekit, which is a Google Sitekit that comes with all of the Google apps, and we can add them to our WordPress website. So here it is, Sitekit by Google, and you can see right here we have Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, and Speed. So you will not only be able to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website, but we also get AdSense and Search Console with Google Kit. So all you have to do is just click on install and it will start installing. I have already installed, that is why I'm just gonna update it, and it will take a second to install, and then you can click on to activate your Sitekit by Google. You can see it has more than 2 million active installation and is compatible. Once your Sitekit is added, now you will open it up. And then you will simply have to sign into your Google account. Once you sign into your Google account, then you will get your Google Analytics right here in your WordPress website, and you will be able to simply keep track of your traffic. You will be able to check your content, your speed, and your monetization. So all you need to do is just connect your G site to your Google account now, to your Google Analytics, and you have Google Analytics for your WordPress website. So this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.